Hello YouTubers, beer geeks, and beer hounds alike. Bill here. We're going to do a beer review. This one is by Common Space, and it's called Space Trees IPA of the Future. And that's what the can looks like. I've never had this before, never seen it before, nothing. This is courtesy of Z down at Station Liquor over in Tustin on McFadden. Thank you, Z. Appreciate that, buddy. Says hops are Cryo, Sabro, Cryo, Amarillo, and Flex Extract. I don't know what that is. Grist, Grist might be the malt. So Weyermann, Pilsner, Rar, and Pale Dextrose. Yeast is BS Barbarian Ale. Okay. Says Space Trees, the IPA of the future. These are the cryo-hopped experiments of the brewery Common Sense. Its mission to explore strange new hop products, to seek out new dry hopping and alpha acid extraction methodology, to boldly brew an IPA that no one has brewed before. All right, and they are from Hawthorne, California. And this is canned out 8/19/20, so it's just about 2 months old. So 7.5% alcohol by volume. And it's a pint, 1 pint. And once again, Z over at Station Liquor and Deli in Tustin. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Good looking out. So let's get it cracked open and see what we got here. I'm not sure if this is going to be a West Coast or an East Coast. Looks like a West Coast coming out. All right. Okay. Well, we can probably get it all in there real quick. Maybe not. Okay. So we have a monster, frothy, creamy, silky, foamy, kind of bouncy looking head. And we have a slightly hazy, kind of a light amber or straw, kind of yellowish, hazy, kind of light amber, I'd say, or a light gold. More like a light gold, I guess. Yeah, almost looks like a Pilsner. All right. Okay, definitely looks like beer. Slight haze to it. All right. Space Trees IPA by Common Space. Okay. All right, let's get an aroma on this puppy. Okay. It's interesting smelling. It's kind of citrusy up front, citrusy hoppy. It's got some floral notes in it. Piney. It smells like just like green, kind of almost like a piney green. Definitely getting some floralness. You have the citrusy, little lemon zest. Big time floral notes though. Trees. Yeah, it says space trees. Yeah, I get that. Smells almost like a forest. Piney, pine cones. Smells great. Let's get a hit. Cheers. Hmm, very interesting. It's got a tanginess to it. Last train home. Yeah, it's got definite tanginess to it, like almost like a tartness. It's good though. I don't know if I've ever had a beer that tasted quite like this. That's definitely different. It's good too. Yeah, wow. Wasn't expecting that. All right, let's see what else we can pick up here. Mm, yeah, like lemon zest, tanginess. It's hoppy. It's balanced. It's got enough malt backbone to balance it all out. It's got a medium mouthfeel. And what was that? 7%? I thought I read 7.5%. You can't taste any raw alcohol notes, no booziness or nothing. It's a very well constructed beer. It's definitely different than your typical West Coast style IPA. I think it's the yeast that they're using is making it taste a little different. Um, and it tastes very good. This is very tasty beer. It's just different. That kind of tanginess I'm getting. I've tasted that before in some other beers, but I'm not sure what style the beers was. I'm almost thinking like a pilsner. It kind of has that pilsner kind of tang to it, but it has a hoppiness too. But it's not like piney like most. I mean, it's there in the aroma, but the taste, you're not getting it. You're getting more of that tangy kind of lemon zesty uh, kind of note. This is different and it's very good. I love it. Cheers, Z. That's really good. So I'm gonna pause it for a minute, sip on it for a little bit, see if I can pick up anything else, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, I seem to pick up a little bit of a grapefruit peel kind of a note also. Yeah, like a grapefruit peel, or kind of like that pith or the white stuff that's under the peel. It's kind of like that, and some in in the aroma, I was getting a lot of floralness and some citrusiness and some pininess. But when I started sipping it, it all turned to like grapefruit kind of peel kind of note and like tanginess and so much of the floralness and the pininess kind of went away in the sip. And it just turned into more like a grapefruity kind of peel kind of a taste. But it's pretty darn good. So we'll hit it one more time here. We'll wrap it up. It's a very well constructed beer. It's very different. Yeah, it's like grapefruit peel, big time. And lemon zest. Very tasty, different. Um, very well constructed beer at 7.5%. It goes down super easy. Um, I don't know if I'd buy this one because I'm not like a huge fan of grapefruit. I like grapefruit; it's fine when beers taste like it, but I prefer other like pineier or like tropical or earthy. But grapefruit, I kind of got burned out on big grapefruit notes in beers because I had that so much. But this is a little different version of it, like a grapefruit tasting IPA. It actually tastes like it has grapefruit in it. I don't think they got that flavor from hops. So I think it's like a blended beer. I don't know. I might be wrong, but it's pretty damn decent, well-constructed beer. So on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, 2.5 being C average, I'm gonna give this 4.2. It's pretty damn tasty. I wish it was a little lighter on the grapefruit peel kind of note, and I probably would have gave it like a 4.4 or 4.5. So that's my story, and I'm gonna stick with that. I'll have the description of this beer at the bottom of the video in the description section. Please like and subscribe, and much appreciate that. And this one gets a horns up. All right, we'll check y'all later. See ya.